Okay, students, welcome in online classes of Little Towers School, Madhupuram, Asti. Class, we have studied about nutrition. I think all of you are well understood about the topic nutrition. This nutrition is of two types as written in your book. First of all, open your book. Chapter number 1. This nutrition is of two types. Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. What is the autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition is such mode of nutrition. Listen very carefully. Listen very carefully. Autotrophic nutrition is such mode of nutrition in which any living organism is able to prepare its own food by itself, by own self. Understood? All green plants contain a special type of pigment which is known as chlorophyll. With the help of this chlorophyll, all green plants used to do a chemical process which is known as photosynthesis. And students, by the help of this process photosynthesis, all green plants are able to prepare their own food by own self, by themselves. Understand? Now, in the process of photosynthesis, some materials are needed. These materials are known as raw materials. These materials are known as raw materials. What are the raw materials needed during the process of photosynthesis? The raw materials needed in photosynthesis are number 1, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. So, where carbon dioxide is present? Tell me. Yes, in atmosphere, in our surrounding, in plant surrounding, carbon dioxide is present. So, those plants which used to do photosynthesis, they take CO2, they take carbon dioxide from their external environment. Clear? Now, second raw material which is needed for photosynthesis is minerals. From where these minerals come? Ankush Srivastava. Plant get mineral from where? From air? By magic? How plant get mineral? Yes, Ankush Srivastava. Plant get mineral and water also. Minerals and water from soil. The root of the plant which is present in the soil, it absorbs water and mineral and conduct it through stem into the leaves, because it is the leaf which is going to do photosynthesis. Clear? So students, CO2 is present in external environment. Minerals are present inside the soil, in between molecules of soil, from where plants get it through their roots. And last one is sunlight. Sunlight comes from sun. Understood? For photosynthesis, only sunlight is needed. Not your torch light, not your mobile light, not candle light. Only sunlight is needed. Do you know why? Why? Because students, sunlight contains packets of energy. Mobile light doesn't contain, candle light doesn't contain. Sunlight contains special packets of energy. Those packets are known as photons. Note down this term in your copy. Note down this term. Sunlight contains energy packets which are known as photons. And when these photons falls on the surface of the leaf, then what happens? Then photosynthesis occurs. Okay? Now, after this, suppose all these things are present, then photosynthesis is done. As a result of photosynthesis, food is synthesized? Where? Inside the leaf. In which form food is synthesized? In starch form. So plant used to prepare their own food and store it in form of starch. ठीक है? Now one activity is given in your book and one question is also given in your book. What happens? यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, can you imagine our earth without photosynthesis? In another way, if photosynthesis not happen, then what is the result of this? अगर एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट में ग्रीन प्लांट्स फोटोसिंथेसिस ना करें या ग्रीन प्लांट्स हो ही ना, तो क्या होगा? इसके दो रिजल्ट आपकी बुक में लिखे हुए हैं। बुक में आप लोग देखिए, बुक में लिखा हुआ है बच्चों कि जब फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होगा तो एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस ऑक्सीजन गैस इज रिलीज्ड which is very essential for respiration of various living organisms. तो ऑक्सीजन गैस does not release if photosynthesis doesn't happen. पहली बात। दूसरी बात, if photosynthesis doesn't happen then food is not prepared. अब ये फूड नहीं बना, जितने भी हेटेरोट्रॉप की अभी बात हुई है कि न्यूट्रिशन इज ऑफ टू टाइप, ऑटोट्रॉपिक एंड हेटेरोट्रॉपिक, तो ऑल हेटेरोट्रॉपिक्स आर नॉट एबल टू डू फोटोसिंथेसिस, are not able to prepare their own food by themselves. So all heterotrophs depend on autotrophs for their food. Depend on autotrophs for their food. But here question is this: if photosynthesis does not occur, then what happens? Then all heterotrophs which depend on autotroph for food, they doesn't survive. They become dead. ठीक है? तो कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म लिविंग नहीं रहेगा अगर फोटोसिंथेसिस ना हो। फर्स्ट थिंग, एंड सेकंड थिंग, देयर इज नो ऑक्सीजन in atmosphere if there is no photosynthesis. Now one activity is given in your book. Activity one is given for the taste of starch, for the taste of food inside the leaf. Read the activity and I tell you this activity in brief. Activity 1 and activity 2 I tell you in brief in next online class, students.